Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Nutella box. Let's open it up. Oh my god. It's hard. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Ta-da! Look how beautiful it is. It's golden. Let's try and get it open. Hold on. No. Okay. No, that's not going to work.
That's right. Colonial Penn Life Insurance Company. As you get older, your health may change. Colonial Penn understands that.
The heck?
And we don't think it should keep you from getting life insurance to help protect.
We're also going to do a taste test too. If I can get this thing open. Right. Yeah. Hold up. Alright. Grandpa's gonna open. Look, we got custom pillows. We got Smokey that died. We got Lyndon that died. AKA my favorite one. Favorite cat. Where's Boots and Tiger at? Oh. So Boots. Then we got Lyndon and we got Smokey.
Went out, then gun away.
Oh.
But Thompson noticed something didn't look quite right.
Okay.
Yeah, open up. Just
If you want to know what those red things are,
I opened up enough.
yeah, that's good. Thanks, Pops. Alright. Stop. Gonna open this up.
I could see the lamp. So,
Oh, that.
okay, this must have happened outside.
Ooh.
And before she started driving. This woman tried to cut herself.
OMG.
And she's clearly injured. To get in the car and drive, did that make sense?
Didn't make sense.
Oh, God.
Thompson still wasn't sure what kind of crime he was dealing with, if any.
Okay, I guess that's
He
good.
didn't know
Let me go get a
Tiffany's
spoon.
condition. However, there was someone in
Oh,
custody.
yeah, that. Can't trust my dog. Cannot.
He'd been officially
Can
arrested,
never trust that dog.
but he was not fit.
Bergman was photographed.
What?
His clothes were taken as
Stop my
evidence.
what?
And then Thompson wanted to hear what
I will
Bergman had to
plug with
say.
him. Alright.
Sometimes it's golden.
Nope.
It's golden.
Got a spoon.
Was a painting contractor. He and his wife had been married 5 years and had 2 children, 2-year-old Noah, and wife who was almost 4.
Oh,
The
okay.
couple was divorced.
Let's try
and
it.
met that night so Bergman could give her a child support check.
That stuff's good. Stuff's good.
According to Bergman, Tiffany was taking antidepressants.
That stuff is good. So bye.